Jai Shri Krishna everybody. In this lecture we will be learning about Introduction to Java by Engineer Sumit. So let's get started. What is Java? It's quite simple. Java is a popular programming language which was created in 1995 by James Gosling. Okay, so this is James Gosling, you can see. Currently you can see this Java is owned by the company called Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java today. Okay, so you can see the Oracle company over here. This is their logo, Oracle, which is in red color. Okay, so let's move ahead and know why it is used for. Okay, so using the Java you can actually build mobile applications, especially Android applications. Okay, so Android is made in two programming languages. So previously it was Java, and now they are making a new language which is called as Kotlin, but Java will never go. Secondly, you can make desktop applications, right? Third, you can make web applications using JSP. Fourth, you can make web servers and application servers. You can make games for sure, and if you know, the famous game Minecraft is made using Java. Okay, so if you search famous Java games, you can just see Minecraft is made in Java. Other famous games include the New York Night, Two Friends, the Tetris, right? There's lots of famous game which is made in Java. Okay, so other than that, big companies use it for database connections, and much more are its applications. So why do we use Java, right? Why should we use Java? So Java works on different platforms. It works on all the 4 platforms, which is Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi. Okay, so you can run code of Java in all the 4 operating systems. It is one of the most popular programming language in the world. Okay, if you see the Google Trend over here, if you see, then you can see it is a worldwide data of past 12 months, which is showing that Java is quite stable and occupies 46% of the overall programming market, while Python occupies 63%, React occupies 16%, Angular at 9%, and C++ at 17%. So you can see it's quite popular language, right? Okay, so thirdly, you can see it is easy to learn and simple to use, right? So before there were a lot of programs which used to take hundred of lines to just print the hello world. Then there came the C++, which took 20 to 30 lines, and now Java, which just took 5 to 6 lines. It is more if compared to Python, but this was an achievement back then, and it is still used for that in most of the big companies, right? So now it is open source and free, right? So there are a lot of developers who keep on developing this language, right? It is secure, fast and powerful, and that's why big companies just use it. And if you see, okay, on Google it shows the companies which uses Java are Google, Pinterest, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, Amazon. Like all the big companies are using Java because it's secure, fast and reliable. Let's get ahead. And okay, so there are more. It has a huge community support of tens of billions of developers, right? Let me show you by an example. If you go on Stack Overflow, which is the biggest platform to ask questions related to the IT software and coding, okay, and you get the answer over here. So if you can see, Java is at the 3rd most asked questions, right? So you can see there are nearly 2 million questions which was asked and have been answered on the platform. Okay, so you have a lot of support while making a Java application or anything in Java. Okay, so let's get to the next point. Java is an object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost. Okay, so this is a thing. Java doesn't uses the linear fashion of code, right? It uses class inheritance, polymorphism, and interfaces, right? So basically, which helps in making the code look very clean, and you can just easily make changes like in later half of your programs. right? We will be looking when we will study about classes and interface. The third thing is, as Java is close to C++ and C#, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. Okay, so if you see the syntax and how we code in Java, it is very much similar to C++ and C#. So the C++ developers and C# developers find it very easy to switch to Java. Okay, so that was it about Java. We will meet in the next lecture. Jai Shri Krishna.